What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mad Squad YouTube channel. This is Asafa Powell, and I've been missing for a while because Jamaica is too hot and I can't be outside. It's so hot, way too hot for me. So I've just been missing. I've been doing anything with cars, just been driving. I haven't been doing anything at all. I've been working on the cars. My mechanic Ziggy sent me some pictures today of my GTR engine. He's rebuilding that engine and I'm very excited. So I think that's what motivated me to do this video today. I'm going to give you guys a quick run through on my 1989 1JZ swap 190E Benz, a project that I love. I've been doing since 2015, babe? Since 2015 I bought this car, and it's been a project from then. I've been very slow with working on this car because I've been trying to do a lot by myself. Plus, a lot of the guys who work in Jamaica, they're not very reliable. Honestly, they're not very reliable. The interior is what's holding me up right now. I sent the car, I got the car repainted, and then I sent it back to do... Amik! Yeah, crash your truck? Yeah, crash your truck? You gonna crash your truck, buddy? Yeah, I sent the car back to the paint shop to get it, do a few touch-ups on it, and guys, the car came back worse than it went there. The paint was all rough, so I have to try and get it buffed out back. But yeah, let me show you this car. You can see my son here just creating havoc, just going crazy. But yeah, guys, this is my 190E Cosworth Mercedes-Benz, and this car was originally like a dark gray, and I wanted it to be in this color. I don't know if it's gray or black. What you doing, buddy? The tire doesn't want to be watered. Why you? Hey, Amik. Oh gosh. So yeah, guys, I got some new wheels for it. These are 16-inch wheels. I think it's American Racing, something like that. And the AAM, no, I don't remember. The AAM has nothing to do with this car. I think this was when I got the Series 2 AM for my GTR. I just put the sticker on this car. I got the bumper redone. I need to pull out the car so I can view it better. Amik, I'm gonna see if it can start first though. Oh, the boss does sit down inside, Boss does.
I haven't gone for a spin in this yet.
Yeah, no, you haven't.
I need to. We can go for a spin around the hill.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, my son is inside. You want just open the door for me, babe. So him don't burn up. Open the door. Yeah, guys, my son is inside. He's loving it.
You were sweating.
So yeah, this is my 1989 Mercedes Cosworth. I put a 1JZ in it. It had the original 2.5 16 valve engine in it from the Cosworth. There you go, 2.5 16. So 190E. It was in great condition. It was parked for a few years. Original owner. Sold it to somebody. They didn't pay him for years. He went back for it, and then I got it. Nice car, guys. And my plan for this car is just to drive it. My wife loves it. I got the seats wrapped in original Benz leather, Mercedes leather, nice red interior. I have some more work. These need to be fixed properly. I need to find another thing for the vent, like this one. This one needs another thingy. But yeah, and I have the original thing for this AC vent. I just made this one a temporary thing myself. You know, I cut this from like plastic and made a holder for the vent. I gave the door cards to somebody to redo, and it's been 2 years and still nothing. So now you see where I said the guys in Jamaica are very unreliable, but you can see the seats are very beautiful. The interior it's not bad, you know, it's not bad, but it's still some more work to be done. I bought that steering wheel, changed the original steering wheel. I think I'm gonna do this car button start. I bought a button start kit for it, and yeah, let me show you the engine. Amik, you're not hot? You're gonna eat the air freshener? I did this air freshener in it. It smells real good. It has sunroof. So guys, I'm gonna show you the engine. Amik, what? Oh, I'm going for him truck. Show you the engine. This is a 1JZ swap. My wife has the camera. Let me take it and do a little thingy. Ooh. So you guys, and another plan, where is he? Oh, another plan I have for this car is to take out the engine and do a full refurbish of the engine bay. I need to, you know, do this engine bay a lot better. But like I said, guys, I just want this car to be perfect with air condition. So if my wife wants to take it for a drive, she can just go for a drive. She doesn't know how to drive stickers yet. So this is an automatic car and it's perfect for her to take on a drive, a cruise, and it's old school. So you know women look cool in old school cars already. You know women look better than men in everything pretty much. So, so this car will fit her real well. And I did some research and I'm very proud of myself for that. I did some research and I found that the 2011 C-Class Mercedes, the shocks, the front shocks, pretty much it can bolt up to this. It's the same weird thing it has. So I did some research and I found that also I convert this to a modern suspension. It works because the stock suspension, the engine was a bit too heavy for it, and I had to do that conversion. But you guys, my wife loves to stalk me when I'm doing the car videos, and my son loves to stalk me. So anywhere my son is, my wife loves to be there. But everything, guys, on this car is brand new. The lights are new. Well, the engine is not brand new, it's a used engine, but everything is pretty new on this car. I went all out on it. Like from you can see the interior, everything is perfect on this car. So plan I have for the car now is to get it licensed and insured so I can drive it to the dyno to get it tuned. Just want to clean up the tune, want to make sure it's safe. I mean, I know it's safe, it's a stock ECU, stock computer, but there's a big turbo on it. And I just need to make sure that it's running clean. It feels very smooth, but I just want that reassurance, you know, that it's good. So I want to go to the dyno, just put a number to it, you know, whether it makes 2 something, 250, 240, whatever it is. I just want to put a number to it and just make sure it's drivable. And in the future, I might do a manual swap to this car, but for now it's going to stay automatic, and we're just going to enjoy it because I mean it's the car. When I got the car, it had no dents, no nothing. There was nothing wrong with this car. I just needed the color to change. The only thing that was wrong with it is the engine. I didn't trust the engine. I still have the engine there, and those engines are very expensive, and I think I'm going to sell it because I don't plan to put it back in the car. And guys, I love old cars. My wife's dream car is a 1978 SL, like the 70s SL Mercedes, and I want to get one of the 300D Mercedes. So that's my car that I want to get to be my everyday driver. I'm going to get rid of my S-Class and get an old car. So I want to go into old cars, and for family car, we're going to have a brand new car for family car, you know, a big 7-seater, you know, but I'm going to keep my Black Series though. Going to keep my Black Series, going to keep my GTR. My GTR is an old car, so I'm going to keep my old cars and get rid of a few of the new cars, keep what I need to keep, and you know, just enjoy the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s, and the early 2000s. So yeah guys, that was my 190E Mercedes with the 1JZ swap. The next video you might see my GTR engine being built, and you might see my GTR, so stay tuned for that and keep watching Mod Squad. Like, subscribe, and just let our channel grow. Thank you for watching.